Welcome to our secret sneak peek, semi-secret, I suppose, once this goes live. However, we're coming to you from Milton Bight on the north shore of Roatan, Honduras, and I'm really thrilled to announce a new development that no one knows about yet, and it's about 7 acres. Lots will be, well, you have a lot of flexibility right now with these lots. Every single one is going to have a 180-degree ocean view. It is on a hill, so you will not be obstructed by your neighbors. It's absolutely breathtaking. These will be some of your views. Lots right now are proposed to be about 0.2 acres, starting at about $189,000 to about $220,000, depending on your specific lot. Or since this is all pre-construction, you have a little bit of ability to negotiate by a larger plot. Obviously, the flat there are some really flat lots that do go down, so you will never have those obstructions, and obviously those can be cut to fit your size, and those will all be priced accordingly. But I wanted to give you that little sneak peek before anyone else knows about it. And this is one of my new favorite houses on the island, which is absolutely beautiful. And if you notice some similarities between my house and this house, granted, this house is a little bit more upgraded than mine. That is because this is my favorite builder on the island, and this is one of his latest projects over on the east side of the over on the east side of the island. And this is the Roja Estates. It's a planned community, not that many homes in it. There are a few lots for sale, but this is the one and only house that is currently on the market, and it is a stunning luxury upgrades everywhere. And when I say he's my favorite builder and a great builder, and when I take the time out to say people are great builders, it really means that they are, because I don't say that very often, and I don't really show it well. I show the houses that I think are done absolutely well. And this is the man that I go to build my homes, and who is on the docket to build a second project for me, as well as a pool. So that will be 3 projects I've given him my money to do, so I can't say enough good things. First project started around 2 years ago, so can't say enough amazing things. But this house is luxury everywhere you look, and it is, well, it's stunning. All the things that I didn't do to my house that I should have done, I got to see them done in this house, and realized that next time, my next project, I'm not going to argue with my builder. So this house is offered at $645,000. It is over 2,500 square feet on over 0.2 acres, and it does overlook the north shore. The south shore. That's where the massive views are that we're looking at right now. However, you can also see the north shore from the front of the house from that kitchen window, but that's the money shot right there. And this is one of the main bedrooms. It's a 2-bed, 2-bath with 2 luxury bathrooms, all with I don't normally show toilets, but I like this room so much because it was huge. It doesn't look huge, but there's a toilet and a bidet. And then you have a really oversized, luxurious bathroom with so much light. I actually didn't turn on a single light in this house, and it was overcast. So that just shows you how bright this house is. And this bathroom is huge with all of this nice, beautiful stonework. And if you notice, it looks a lot like my house, except it has more upgrades to it. And even the mirrors, they're now more upgraded because they give you different light tones. So I'm a little bit jealous, but the hanging lights, the mahogany wood that was used, all of the upgraded appliances. There's even a pocket door in this house. I don't know how many times and how long I've been in this business, but man, getting that pocket door that you can see over to the right. You also have the laundry with the nice built-in, so you don't have to bend over and you don't have to lift, which is just one of those nice, there's no detail that was not thought about with this house. So this is really great if you want 2,500 square feet is a large size, but you're looking You have exquisite luxury that of this size that is a single family home, and we don't see that very often in Roatan. We see beautiful houses like this, but we see them for 1.2, 1.4, 1.6, 1.8, and they're 4, 5 bedrooms. They're these massive estates, which are great. But if you only need 1 bedroom or 2 bedrooms and you still want luxury that's not in a condo, we don't really have those. And so this is just, I love it. If I didn't have 2 children and didn't need 3 bedrooms, I would certainly consider this. The details with this, even this desk, I wanted to show you the picture of the desk. It was just, it was a driftwood, and it was a really cool story. All of the showers do have that cool little peekaboo window that I didn't even notice, but all rain showers, it's luxury everywhere. I love this mirror, and I love that it's 3 settings. Even though my windows are only 18 months old, these are better. And then these windows, I love transom windows, but one of the things with the transom windows, I've never seen them be able to open or shut automatically, and this house has them automatically. So any upgrade or luxury you can think about, it is in this unit, with the soft closed drawers, the custom mahogany stain, the 8-burner commercial grade stove. You have the wine cooler, the wine rack, you have the pendants, you have the overhead lighting. It's absolutely stunning. The big apple, which I was not sure if that was real apple or a little apple. Anyway, and this is the garage, the carport, the outside. So many little details. That carport, it is also plumbed and electrified, maybe. So you can build that studio apartment above, or that 3rd bedroom. So that's already done. And I wanted to overlook, there are 3 to 5, I can count, 5. There's going to be 5 lots. This is the hidden gem and the best lot I currently am aware of on this beautiful island. And you can see you have 360-degree views of this beautiful island, and there's not that many places where you get just these beautiful views. And you're also in a neighborhood so what you see are the houses they're similar. They all have the same aesthetic, just like the aesthetic that you saw at my house. So you can tell I'm kind of biased. I really like these houses. But you can see this is the nicest lot in Roatan. And if you do want to know the secret sauce to it, please don't hesitate to give me a call. It is the nicest plot of land in a nice community with very minimal HO. There's not really an HOA, it's just some covenants to make sure that it keeps the integrity of the neighborhood, so you don't have all the restrictions like you do in Pristine Bay, Lawson Rock, or any of that nature. But you do have a beautiful, stunning neighborhood. This is the view from 2 other lots that are currently getting cleared. The prices on these are right around $200,000 for just over 0.2 acres, where this will all be cleaned. There will be 2 lots, and none of the houses will obstruct your view. You can see that they're nice on those cliffs, and they did build those retaining walls, which is another thing about this neighborhood that just makes it, top notch. And these are the last 2, $199,000 for 2 of these, 0.2 acres. And they're nice flat lots. And please give me a call if you want to find out more information. Thanks so much.